Okay, number 2, given the parametrization. What is the parametrization? Not the x of t, right? We have the r vector. Di ba? Kung saan ang r vector? That's x of t, I plus y of t, j. Find the velocity. We need the velocity. What's the velocity? That's just r dot, right? dr over dt. Oh, r dot meaning take the derivative of each of this. This is x dot I plus y dot j. Kasi may derivative ani. 4t. Right? So this would be 4ti. How about this? Minus 3 halves t 1 half j, right? So this is now our v of t, right? This is v of t. Find the velocity at 10. So v at 10, that would be 40i minus square root of 10. 3 square root of 10 over 2j. Muna na siyang answer. Evaluate at 10. Basta yun, Ra? You can evaluate this number right here. Nakuha? Sabtan? Okay. Now, find the speed of the particle at any given instant. Okay, we will start with the velocity, right? What's the speed? Let's call this s of t. This is just equal to v, magnitude of v, tama? Which is the square. So you have now 8t squared plus the square of this. That is 9 over 4t. Tama? Right? The square of this. Ay, kani. Because at any instant man. This is just in one instant when t is equal to 10. This is at any instant. So square, that it would be, that is 16. T squared plus 9 over 4t. Tama? And then take the square root. This is now our speed function. This is at any instant. We can even get the speed kaninga time. No? For example, what is the speed at t equals 10? That would be, just substitute 10 here. No? So pila? Square root of 16 times 10 squared is 100. Minus, plus. That's 10, 90 over 4. Tama? 90 over 4. So pila? Using this formula. Pila? 40.28 meters per second. Basta units per second. Okay? If it is in nakuha na sabtan. Now, how about you try diri daw? Kani inyong square. I-try niyo ang 40 squared plus square of this. And then take the square root. You should get this. No? Kaya pwede na ninyo evaluate ang velocity at time t and then square the numbers. Pwede na siya. Or, you get the speed and then substitute by t. Pwede na siya. Now, try this. Square this. Square this plus square that. Then take the square root. In fact, pareho na. Because the square of this is 9 times 10 over 4. That's 90 over 4, right? Dahil 40 squared is 1/6. Then may mo naman ang add. Tama? And you get the same. You will get the same. Okay? Okay. Now, this one right here is the algebraic equation. Okay. Akong i-erase na ha. I'll erase it, this one. Okay, what's the algebraic equation? Well, we can, using this one, we have find x, t in terms of x. Just substitute nato dire. Right? Ana lang kasimple. Okay? So, sa ato pa, t in terms of x, you have now x equals 2t squared minus 1. From here, t is equal to what? Square root of t, x minus 1 over 2, tama? Plus 1, tama? If you invert this, solve for t. Kana siya. Then substitute it sa y. Sa ato pa, y of x now becomes 1 minus, x plus 1 over 2 raised to 1 half. Tama? and then raised to 3 halves. Right? So, okay, so muna na siya. Or ani na lang, i-change na lang na ako para dali, para may evaluate. I'll just change this to 6. I'll just change this to 6. No, para dali. So this is raised to 6. So law of exponent, this is now 1 minus x plus 1 over 2 cube. Right? And you have a cubic equation in x, right? So sa ato pa, the plot of this is a cubic equation. Pwede na rin siya. This is now y of x, right? So the equation is y is equal to, this will be the equation. Okay? Nakuha? This is a cubic equation. If you expound this, you will get a cubic function, right? You will have the form a 3x cubed plus a2x squared plus a1x plus a naught. That equals y, the general cubic equation. Imula ni siyang i-expand. Okay? You will get that. I will no longer do that. No, kay taas-taas siya pag-expand. Nasabtan? Okay? So, mo nang algebraic equation niya. Basta yun, ra? Muna itong gibot sa projectile, right? Sa projectile, we express t in terms of x. And then substitute that to y of t. And we obtain a quadratic. Okay, now this last. Ako na ning erase. The last. A projectile was launched at an initial velocity of 50. Now, pwede na siguro ako ni erase. So you have a height of 200. And then, okay, initial angle of 60. Initial velocity of 50 meters per second. Now, find the time when the velocity vector of the particle has a magnitude. That means, what is the velocity vector of the projectile motion? You have, unsa gani ang Vy, di ba? Vy is equal to V naught sine theta minus gt. Unsay Vx? This is, well, V naught x, or this is just V naught cosine theta. So the velocity vector is just V naught cosine theta I plus V naught sine theta minus gt. J. The magnitude of the velocity, how to get the magnitude? The square of this, and then, tama? So the magnitude of V is just V naught squared cosine squared theta plus the square of this. That would be V naught squared sine squared theta minus 2 V naught G sine theta plus G squared T squared. Mo na siya. Okay? If you square this one. And then, of course, the square root. Butangan lang akong square sa ana, no? Okay? Or V square lang sa. V square. Or V dot V. Tama? Now, simplify this. This is just V naught squared. Tama? Actually, may mo siyang V naught times 1 minus 2G sine theta. Napaday t diri, no? Magkaroon og t diri. Okay. This is V naught squared, factor out V naught squared, and then cosine squared plus sine squared. So mag-cancel lang, mahimong 1, tama? So this whole thing will be V naught squared. So, unsay mabilin diri? Minus 2 V naught gt sine theta plus g squared t squared. And this is equal to what? According to the problem, this is equal to 60. Tama? That would be 60. Okay? And can we now solve this? What is V naught squared? We have now a quadratic equation, tama? What is V naught squared? That would be 50 times 50, 25, right? So you have now 60 equals 2,500 minus, this is, sige daw, 2 times 50 times 9.8. 2 times 50 times 9.8 times sine of 60. Pila? Pila? Okay. So 2,500 pila ni? 2 times 50 times 9.8 times sine of 60, pila? 848.10, 70 plus 4.9 squared, 9.8 squared. Pila? 96.04. T squared. Okay, you now have a quadratic equation nga. This is 0. So minus 60. This is 2460. 2440. Okay, solve this. And then get the positive time. Well, pwede gyapon ng negative time because naman to sa previous before, right? But let's just take the positive time. Erase na ako niya. What's T? Ay, wait lang. V squared man dahil eh. Okay, this is V squared. So, this is 60 squared, right? So, pila ning 60 squared? 3,600. So 25 minus 3,600. Okay, 25 man eh. Ay, wait, yeah. 50. And then, pila? Ha? Pila ni? Ha? Negative 1,100? Okay, so pila ang T karon? 9? And? Okay, so meaning, it happened below, tama? Ganong makasure man nga below sa nahitabo? Let's just take the positive, pila to? Meters per second. So meaning, nahitabo siya below. Ganong below man? Because a negative type would imply that it happened before. Kapasaka pa siya, right? Last time, I interpreted to you the meaning of a negative time, right? So, nahitabo siya dire and nahitabo siya dire. This is what's the magnitude of the velocity at all points. Di ba that's the v kanimo ora ni tama? Oh, for example, dire sa maximum height, what's the magnitude of the velocity at maximum height? At maximum height, the magnitude of the velocity is just kani. Because Bx doesn't change, right? Pero pag abot sa maximum height, wala may y. It's always Bx. On x, it's constant velocity. So pag abot sa maximum height, our velocity vector is purely along x. So meaning, the magnitude at maximum height is just V naught cosine theta. Anyway, so that is T. Kung sa'yo question, ani? Find the time. Oh, mauna ni siya. Right? And what is the velocity vector at this time? Well, all you have to do is substitute T dire, tama? You will get y. What is the velocity vector? Because this is the speed, tama? So the velocity vector v at t equals 9.98 is, well, what's v naught cosine theta? That's 25, tama? Meters per second. Right? I. How about the y? Okay, calculate the y. Kani, V naught sine theta, so 50 sine 60 minus 9.8 times, kani. Pila? Pila? Negative 0.50 5 meters per seconds J. And if you tanawang magnitude ani, kuha ninyo 25 squared plus square of that. Sige, God. Sige. Take the magnitude of this. 25 squared plus square of that. $59.96. So it's 60, right? Which is expected. Tama? Nasabtan ninyo ni ang question dire? Right? Now, at what height siya nahitabo? What is the height from the ground? Okay. Let's say the question is, what is the height of the particle from the ground when its velocity is, when the magnitude of its velocity vector is 60, or when its speed? I can change this as when its speed, nakuha? When its speed is 60 meters per second. So, maura gihapon, right? You calculate the time and then the height from the ground. So, meaning, follow-up question, what is the height from the ground when it happens? Well, all we have to do is y minus y naught equals v naught sine theta t minus 1/2 gt squared. Find y when t is 9.98. Maura na siya. Nakuha ninyo?